right, so what we're looking at here on this squash plant would be evidence of squash vine borer. Parts of the plant, maybe the entire plant, will be collapsed, and you'll see it wilting like we're seeing right here. And so it's important that we scout for this borer. They lay their eggs right at the base of each of the stalks, where the stalks come off of the vine. And when those eggs hatch, they burrow right into the center of that vine. And this is a bit of what active feeding would look like. This is called frass, what's left behind after they chew through those vines. That disrupts the vascular system and we end up with wilt. There's nothing we can really do for the parts that are already affected, but if you have vines on the plant that aren't affected yet, you could put some Perspective insecticidal sprays on there using insecticidal soap. You could try horticultural oil, carbaryl, bifenthrin, so lots of options for control.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.